Queen MT5 is a premium grid-based expert advisor designed for the XAUUSD gold market. Built with over 15 years of trading expertise, this EA integrates proven strategies with advanced automation to help traders maximize profits while managing risk effectively. Unlike many high-frequency bots, Queen MT5 focuses on quality over quantity, taking trades only when market conditions align perfectly with its algorithms. It is versatile enough to operate on any time frame, from M1 to D1, and is optimized for plug-and-play use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Used on platform, MetaTrader 5, currency pairs, XAUUSD, gold. Time frames, any time frames. Broker, any broker with a low spread, recommended. IC markets, price quota for gold, 2 decimal format, not compatible with 3 decimal brokers. Minimum deposit, $500 with 1:500 leverage. Recommended deposit, $1,000 with 1:500 leverage. Leverage, at least 1:100, 1:500 recommended. Account type, hedging.